Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word cherishing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She spent hours cherishing the precious memories of her childhood with her grandparents. Cherishing in this sentence means to value and hold dear the memories of her childhood with her grandparents, treasuring them with care and affection. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.